new G90 is ugly, is what an idiot would say. Now look, bro, when BMW first dropped the G80, I swear everybody and their mom was saying like, oh my god, look at the grill, this car is so ugly, and it's just, it doesn't look right. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, for a while I was on that team too. I'm like, bro, this G80 is just, this brand new M3 is so chopped cheese, bro. It's so ugly. And then one day I woke up and I realized that it's actually one of the best, it's one of the best looking design cars on the market right now. Is it one of the best design looking BMWs? I would argue against that because they're like, literally the F80 in my opinion still looks better. You know what I'm saying? If you don't agree with me, fight with your mom. I don't care. But the G80 looks so good. But so many people thought it was just a big beaver tooth grill. I don't know who made this. And honestly, bro, it's kind of like that one Playboi Carti album that dropped. Everyone hated it. And then one day people woke up and said, actually, this is amazing. Now, it's like a whole arc, to be honest. I don't know why this happens. I don't know this. Well, I'm going to explain the psychology of it today. But I want to give another example, right? The brand new BMW XM. Okay, the design was kind of ugly, okay? I thought it was horrific. I thought it was one of the worst design cars I have ever seen on the market. Just look at the headlights, bro, okay? But out of nowhere, in like a random way, bro, like the design completely grew on me. Like the way, look at how aggressive. Hold on. It just looks, I'm not gonna lie, it looks so aggressive. And when you see it in real life, you start to understand that BMW kind of cooked here. I don't know how they managed to do it every single time where they release an ugly design and it just becomes good out of nowhere, but they do it every single time. Now, one car that I would say has not grown on me from BMW is the X3. This is one of the worst design cars BMW has ever made in their entire lives. It's so trash. It looks like buns. The interior is so terrible. Apparently, the interior is so bad it like creaks and stuff moves and everything is made out of plastic, and it's in that ugly light bar that's going across the whole like crystal light bar. It's just so, it's so booty, and it's such a disgrace to BMW in the car world. It's like somebody said that it's so ugly it would make me change car makers. Like, this is crazy. Now, I would say another Beamer that did grow on me, I do want to talk about is the G90 M5. Actually, no, I lied. Let me take it back. I think the G90 M5 is so ugly. Bro, I'm pulling this up. It looks good, but it looks like a boat on wheels. This thing is so buns, bro. All the aura the F90 had is just completely erased. I'm sorry, bro. I don't care if this car makes more power. I don't care if the interior is cooler. I don't care. This car is hideous. Argue with your mom. You can have a discourse about this in the comments down below. I will not be participating because I am correct. Now, let's talk about the actual psychology behind this. Why is it that when BMW specifically drops a design, it goes from ugly to beautiful, okay? Just like the BMW i8. People didn't like it, and now, I'm not gonna lie, it's a timeless vehicle from BMW. No other brand is able to manage this because once they release an ugly design, it's ugly forever. So BMW got some type of curse in their thing. So one thing is that like when certain designs drop from BMW, obviously change, people don't like change, right? So it's gonna take a little minute. And you know, for example, from the jump from the F80 to the G80 just shows that like acceptance can grow from with the design. People can love it, people can hate it, but some people from an opposing side or one of the sides will just have a louder voice than others. Sometimes the haters will have a louder voice than the lovers, sometimes the other way around. But next, like, we want to talk about the SUVs. So with the XM and the X3, the proportions are kind of exaggerated. Like the X3, the interior, it's so chopped cheese and it just makes the design worse. BMW also seems to be testing extremes, like with the G80, the XM, the X3, they're pushing like bold or like crazy design choices that either you're gonna love or you're gonna hate, or you're just gonna learn to accept it over time. For example, the grille sizes just jumping like 3 times the original size from the F80 to the G80. Just look at that difference, bro. You can put like 3 F80 grills in the G80. It's insane. Anyways, so yeah, usually the design growing on people is kind of due to the fact that, yeah, after some time, you're either just going to accept it or you're actually going to like it. And that's just, it's really that simple. Now, this is just my take. I am no psychologist. And if, you know, you didn't like this, then oh well. Also, I want to talk about the fact that popular opinion, for some reason, a lot of people, when they see the opinion shifting of like the majority, they tend to ride the wave. So that's also a part of this as well. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Peace.